Hello and welcome. You're watching BQ Prime, and we're coming to you right after the November GST collections have been released. GST numbers for the collections in November, these are for transactions in October, came in at 1.67 lakh crore. Now, while this might be slightly lesser than the previous month, it is also part of the ongoing festive season, and we're seeing that the underlying numbers still continue to be strong, indicating a lot of confidence for the economy. And considering GDP numbers that came yesterday, the state of the economy looks quite resilient as it goes. Let's try to understand this figure of 1.67 lakh crore. Now, gross collections is 1,67,929 crore. Central GST of this amount is 30,420 crore. State GST is 38,226 crore. IGST, which is the bigger component, is 87,000 crore. And cess comes up to 12,274 crore. Now, it's also important to note that revenue from the import of goods and services rose about 20%, on a year-on-year basis. And on the whole, if we're looking at it, the average monthly collection so far from April, when the fiscal year began, till now, it's averaged about 1.6 lakh crore. This is already a new benchmark and bodes really well for the government. If we look at the states, let's look at what are the state indicators. Maharashtra, of course, being the biggest tax base, comes first in this tax bracket. Now, post GST settlement, Uttar Pradesh clinched the second spot this particular month, followed by Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat. Telangana also has some encouraging numbers that's come in about. So, talking to experts, reactions are already flooding in, most of them chalking up the good collections to strong economic growth. And of course, also the spate of notices that were sent in the previous part of the year. So these are some of the reactions that we're getting first, but as it turns out, it seems to be a strong indicator going forward for GST collections this particular fiscal. That's all we have for you now. Stay tuned to BQ Prime.